Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So let's start the video with some interesting things. See, today we have seen in cash flow FI have purchased for 3000 crores where DI has sold for 297 crores, but the cash flow was 2800 crores positive value. Still our market has ended in red. So that's why people call market will be derived from derivatives only, not by the cash market. But sometimes the cash market can also lead the derivatives. So see, Nifty has closed with 67 points and Bank Nifty closed with 544 points negative. So whereas we opened very good gap up and that gap up not sustained as usual, we have seen a red Marabout candle in Nifty 5 minutes. It tried to recover and reverse from our resistance levels, came to the CPR level and it was consolidating, broke our support level as well. Whereas Bank Nifty was very much weak as we have discussed in yesterday's analysis. Bank Nifty is very much weak compared to Nifty. We have seen today a fall of 500 points. Technical analysis and price action have made a very good profit today. So now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player planned now. We'll follow by FII in options and put. They were holding 2.87 lakhs of put buying. Today they have added 13,000 contracts, so they have 3 lakhs of put buying. And in call they were holding 3 lakhs of call buying contract. Today they have unwinded 93,000 contract, so they have 2 lakhs of call buying contract. Put buying is more than call buying. It means they are bearish in options. Future index 52% long, 48% short. It means they have reduced their longs, increased their short by 2%. Stock future percentage 54% long, 46% short, and in cash market they purchased for 3085 crores. Still FII view is positive only we can consider because F&O they have hedge going long in cash market. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 2.33 lakhs of put writing. They have added 1.43 lakhs of put writing now. So they have 3.76 lakhs of put writing. And in call, they were holding 2.21 lakhs of call writing. So they have booked a very good profit today in call writing. So they have unwinded 1.59 lakhs of call writing contract, still holding 62,000 of call writing contract. So they are super bullish in options. In future index, 49% long, 51% short. So they have reduced the long, increased the short by 1%. Stock future percentage 82% long, 18% short, and in cash market they have sold for 248 crores. So see, client don't have any directional view, but they're super bullish in options. Promoters input they were holding 1.50 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded 1.29 lakhs of contract, still holding 21,000 contract in put writing. And in call writing, we have seen in call they were holding 79,000 contract in call writing. So they have added 66,000 contracts. So now they have 1.45 lakhs of call writing contract. So they are bearish in options in future index. So see in future index 42% long, 58% short. So they have reduced the shorts, increased the long by 6%. It means they have booked the loss in options in put writing and they have booked the profit on the short side of future index. That's why they had their positions. In stock future percentage, 62% long, 38% short, and in cash market they purchased for 261 crores. So see, promoter view is positive only. They are hedging the position in F&O. DI have sold for 297 crores. So cash flow was 2,800 crores positive value. So put call ratio for coming week expiry Nifty is at 0.88 and Bank Nifty is at 0.57. So Nifty is super positive only, but Bank Nifty is slightly going into oversold zone. We can see a good dead cat bounce in Bank Nifty in coming 2-3 days. Now let's check the change in OI Nifty for coming week expiry. What traders are carry forwarding? A good number of short straddle at 18,700 people carry forwarding, and major support resistance comes around 18,700 only, and also a good resistance is at 18,800. And for Bank Nifty, see, we have seen a good call writing and put writing at 43,500, and people carry forwarding call writing contract from 43,500 to 44,000. So 44,000 is a major key levels now, and also it's a major resistance to break, and good support is at 43,500 only. Now let's check the price action Dow. So yesterday there was a good price correction. They were shorts. Now today the shorts has been covered. This was due to the Fed came out with no interest rate hike. That's why we have seen a very good bullish candle forming in 1 day time frame, and they are trading with 280 points. Whereas Nasdaq trading positive by 55 points and SGX also trading positive by 33 points. Whereas today we have seen India VIX going down, it is at 11, still very much comfortable. So see Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has formed a bearish engulfing candle. It means now there could be some kind of correction we can still see Nifty as per the candle formation. But we have seen a good trend line support from top to bottom. It has took this support, so it is still wait and watch for tomorrow. Do this trend line is going to break or we are going to recover from these levels? Whereas Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, we have seen a good fall today and it made a bearish Marubozu candle, and we have seen a good support of key levels of 43,460, and if this is broken we can see some more downfall also. So Bank Nifty as per the price action become very weak, and Nifty still has to confirm the weaknesses. So mark the algo point. Nifty support comes around 18,640 and resistance comes around 18,765. Bank Nifty support comes around 43,201. Resistance comes around 43,881. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data is slight negative, not huge but slight. But I believe we can get a good buy on dip and sell on rise market in intraday basis. No positional trade. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.